Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. Today I have unboxing and first impression for you. This is a video which is going to be mainly about Lattafa House. House of Lattafa is renowned for the very reasonable but very good quality Orientals, Oud and mainly Middle Eastern style fragrances. So in this video I'm going to unbox some of the newest one and some of the little bit older one. Okay, so without further ado, let's go do this. The first one is going to be Velvet Oud by Lattafa. Velvet Oud. So let's see what's this like. Right, how do you open this? Come on, bro. Okay, so the box itself is black velvet. As you can see, it's very pretty. It's like a cylinder and it opens like this, and the bottle is, wow, it's gorgeous. The bottle is gorgeous. It's golden. Sorry, one sec. The cap is very beautiful. It's like a crystal, very heavy with metal and the gold. Overall, the presentation is very good. Amazing for the price. This they, by the way, they're all under £20, so I know, amazing bargain. Okay, so let's see how this one sprays. I heard good thing about this. It came out just this year. Okay, the sprayer is very good. So overall, the quality, the presentation, the box, everything is beautiful. Okay, so the smell. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous. How can these people do it for such a low money? I don't know. Very nice. Oud, beautiful. Yeah, the main thing you'll notice is Oud, and it's very smooth. So the name is appropriate. Velvet Oud is very appropriate. But it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's quite dark. The Oud is quite prominent. There are some spices in the background and woody. The sweetness is toned down, so it's not very sweet. It's a slight sweetness in there, but it's not very sweet. But the main player is Oud here. Oud is very good in this. It's quite dark, it's quite pungent, but it's not animalic or barnyardy, not at all. But gorgeous, wow, beautiful. Look at this, the presentation, gorgeous, and the smell is amazing, and the longevity of this one should be amazing as well. I heard it lasts around 10 hours. So overall it's beautiful. Okay, so because I don't want to be this video so long, I have to go quick. Okay, so let's do next one. The next one is going to be again the new release. It came out 2018, and this is Lattafa Opulent Oud. Again, the box is velvet and black velvet with a gold basically finish. Wow, the bottle is gorgeous. Look at this. Bottle is black with a golden cap. Very beautiful. Okay, the cap is plastic, but it's okay. Let's see the spray on this. So Opulent Oud, by the way, they're all EDPs. So the concentration is quite good concentration, heavy. Okay, so how this one smells? Wow, again gorgeous. This one is sweet Oud, but the Oud is very, again, is prominent, but it's not barnyard, it's not fecal, it's not animalic in any way, shape. Wow, very nice, beautiful. Again, gorgeous. Quite sweet, oud, ambery, woody, beautiful. Again, very very nice. Again, I had it lasts around 8 to 10 hours, this one. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be from the same family, or shall we go for the different one? Okay, let's go to the next one, which is Lail Maliki, which means the night of Imperial Night, basically. Lattafa Imperial Night. So let's see how is this one. Again, the longevity on all of these are around 8 hours easy, okay? Some of them even longer. And they're all EDPs, and they're all under £20. If you like oud, if you like orientals, if you like basically Middle Eastern style fragrances, this house is very underrated. They make very very good perfume for such a low prices. So Lail Maliki, as you can see, very cute. The box. Wow, look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous and very very heavy. Very very heavy bottle. Okay, so the cap is plastic again, not bad. And how the sprayer, the spray on this one should be good again. The sprayer is good. So how does this one smell? Lail Maliki by Lattafa. Oh, sweet mother of love, very sweet. This one is quite sweet, minute amount of oud. The oud is not there. It's very very small, but mainly sweet, fruity, ambery. Fruit is the main player in here, but again very nice, very unisex. They're all unisex, by the way. They're all unisex, but this one seems to be more unisex. But very nice, very beautiful. Floral, fruit and floral is big player, and little bit of vanilla as well. But amazing, beautiful, very nice. I'm very happy with this one as well. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one. The next one is Lattafa Blue Oud. Lattafa Blue Oud. Again, this is the velvet effect on the box. Okay. Okay, look at this. The bottle is quite nice. It's like a bluish, purplish color. The cap is plastic, but it's nice weight to it. And let's see, they're all 100 ml, by the way. Yeah, a very good atomizer. So how is Blue Oud? Okay, so this one is quite fresh, musky, fresh, a bit of herbal, a little bit of citruses, woody, but very quite fresh, as it says Blue Oud, but there's no oud in there. It's woody, but it's no oud. But again, very nice for the summer. It's beautiful. Again, these things last, okay, and they're all under £20 for EDP concentration. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be Haqat Oud or Haqat Oud. I'll put the name in the description. If you want to go and do your research, you can do that. This one means Haqat Oud means the story of oud. So the story of oud. Let's see. Okay, the box is quite nice. Wow, look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. Gorgeous bottle. The cap is wooden. And let's see the sprayer. Haqat Oud. The spray is okay. It's not as good as the other ones. So the Haqat Oud, how does it smell? Wow, gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, sweet, ambery, woody, little bit of vanilla. Wow, gorgeous. But this one is again unisex but beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is very beautiful. This is gorgeous. And as I said, they all last at least 8 hours. Wow, beautiful. This one's gorgeous. Okay, it reminds me a little bit of 24 gold. Little bit, not much, but maybe 50%. But it's more beautiful than 24. Wow, it's got depth to it. Okay, so that was Haqat Oud. Very nice, highly recommend it. So how many minutes gone? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is Lattafa Opulent Musk. Opulent Musk. Okay, Lattafa Opulent Musk. It's a white box, again velvety box, very nice. And this one is a white bottle with a gold cap. Okay, again plasticky but good quality. And let's see the spray on this. Yeah, the spray is very good in this. So Opulent Musk, Lattafa Opulent Musk. Musky. Musky, sweet, floral, woody. Floral again, with a little bit of fruity, but overall it's beautiful, gorgeous. Again, for the summer and the hot weather, it's very good. But there's no oud in this. More amber than oud. Okay, beautiful. Again, very nice. I'm very happy with this one again. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is Nicheetal Oud. Nicheetal Oud by Lattafa. Let's see, how is this one? This one was recommended to me again by two of the YouTube reviewers, so it should be a good one. So this is the box, and okay, the bottle is beautiful. Look at this gorgeous bottle. The cap is heavy, and let's see the atomizer. The atomizer is very good on this. Okay, so how does it smell? This one is Nicheetal Oud. Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. Honey, I can smell honey. Honey, little bit of spices, woody, but the oud in this is toned down, so it's more like oud in the background than oud in your face. But again, the oud is very good in this. It's very safe, very soft oud. It's not animalic in any way, shape. But gorgeous, wow. Honey in this is beautiful. Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. Highly recommended. This is, again, they're all under £20, sometimes even cheaper, sometimes under £15, which is a bargain, okay? Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous. Highly recommended this one. So that was Nicheetal Oud. Yep. Okay, and the last but not least is Mirage Oud. Mirage Oud. Again, this one was recommended, so it should be good. Mirage Oud. Let's see, the box is nice. Okay, the same bottle as the last one, Nicheetal Oud. Very beautiful and very heavy bottle. So let's see the spray on this. Very, very good sprayer. And the smell. Wow, gorgeous. Again, quite fruity. But again, the oud is not big in this, it's in the background. But you can smell it, the oud is there, but it's not animalic again. Very, very soft. Fruity, floral. This is more unisex. They're all unisex anyway. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I highly recommend this one as well. Mirage Oud, beautiful. They all last again around 8 to 10 hours easy, okay? They're all EDPs, they're all 100 ml, and they all cost you less than 15 or 20 pounds, most of them. Highly recommend it. So my favorite so far with the first sniff was Mirage Oud, Nicheetal Oud, and this one, the Velvet Oud, so far. So first impression. Okay guys, thank you very much. I see you when I see you. Thank you for watching. Leave comment down there, and if you have any question, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye bye.